In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through the process of starting a YouTube channel. Hey there, how's it going? My name is Leon, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I produce content every week based around video production, how to make money online, tutorials, and overall just documenting my life in self-employment. If you have interest in one or all of the above, then I recommend you subscribe down below with notifications turned on so that you don't miss out on any more videos. But yes, as I said earlier on in the earlier in the intro, I'm going to be showing you how to, showing you walking you through the process of starting a YouTube channel in case you're thinking of making a YouTube channel, just for anything really. And yeah, so without further ado, let's just jump into the tutorial. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is the first thing you'll see when you want to create an actual Google account, which is obviously a YouTube account, I guess. So we're going to just enter our names. So obviously my name is Leon Hughes. I'll blur that out if I can. Let's just call it Turtle Gaming 156. There we are, just that. That username is taken. Surprise. 76. There we are. Ball up. Turtles are awesome. No. Oh my, I can't even fucking spell it right. Turtles are awesome. 14. There we are. There we are, so I just entered my phone number and all that. There we are, so just enter, well, again, let's just enter a random one. Month, July 2000. Yes, I'm lying about, well, again, it's a fake account. I'm not going to use it, obviously. There we are, done. Just agree to that privacy and terms. And there we are. It just says create a channel there. So just enter Turtle Gaming. Let's find an actual image of a fucking turtle. Bruh. There we are. Can I decrease the size of that? Yeah, I can. That fucking oh Jesus. Oh, who cares? There we are, we're done there. There we are. And that's basically how you create a YouTube channel. Now you have customized YouTube channel where you can add descriptions and all that stuff and banners and all that. So if you want me to make a video on that, then or make a banner or something, then give me a share in the comments below and I'll look into it. Okay guys, so that's basically how you create a YouTube channel, step by step. I know I didn't give you a walkthrough with the banner and all that stuff, but again, as I said, if you want me to make a video on that, then you know, feel free to give me a shout in the comments and I'll look into it. But yeah, if you got value from this video, then I recommend subscribe down below with notifications on so you don't miss out on any more videos like this. And leave a like and share as well, as it does support the channel, I guess. And if you have any questions or ideas of pretty much anything, then give me a shout in the comments and I'll make sure to get back to you. And yeah, so thanks for watching and I shall see you in another upcoming video. Take care everyone.